Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. And also, if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel and you have not yet followed the Telegram, I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on the link and subscribe to the Telegram channel. Also, once again, guys, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will not miss out on the next updates. Now, let's see what we will be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. So, first and foremost, before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend of that trade, right? Before you take a trade, you would want to know the trend. And as we can clearly see on our Euro JPY, we are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that Euro JPY is in an uptrend move. So this is our high. Then here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high. Then here comes the higher low, right? This is also the higher high. And here comes the higher low. Markets eventually push up to give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Markets was able to push up to give us a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? So our next movement on EURJPY would be a bullish move that should eventually form a new higher high. So guys, a new higher high is what we will be anticipating for next on our EURJPY. So guys, a bullish move is our next movement on our EURJPY. Now, take a look at it on your daily time frame. This is a pullback phase, and a new impulsive move is about to form, which will eventually take on this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high for us on our EURJPY. So guys, if you're a swing trader, right, if you're a position trader, this movement is for you. So you would want to be stacking on your buy. Swing traders that would like to hold their position for the next 3, 4, or even 5 weeks, you should go in for the buy. Position traders that would like to hold their position for the next 3, 4, or 5 months, you should also go in for the buy because we are still expecting a bullish move. We are still anticipating for a bullish move to be made on EURJPY that will eventually push up to take out this high. So a bullish move is what we'll be expecting, anticipating for next. So if this is your bullish move and this is your pullback, this can also be seen as the bullish move. And here is the pullback. This can also be seen as the bullish move. Here is the pullback, right? This can also be seen as a bullish move, and here is the pullback. Now here comes the bullish move, and this is our pullback, right? So with this pullback, we are expecting market to push up again, and so it's form a new high, thereby taking out this high, previous high. So this bullish move is what we'll be expecting for this week on our EURJPY. So you can see it on your forward time frame. What can you see? Here is a multiple rejection zone here. So first rejection, this was the first rejection. This was our second rejection, and this was our third rejection. Then market was able to push up, corrected, push up. Now it has corrected. So our next movement on EURJPY will be a push up next. So we are expecting another push up, a new push up. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your EURJPY, you should be going long for the week on EURJPY. So EURJPY this week will be giving us a bullish move. So guys, if there be any changes to this movement that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like and share.